Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator.
Hey guys, good morning. I will present you the new chapter of My Sick Sister Always Miss Me. Chapter 38, so here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Lillian. Right now, she was still on the meeting. A new investor for the company. Miss Lee, I remember, we should meet tomorrow. Are you? Julian said to her. Now, this is the start of a new partnership since her old friend Gu put Wen Zhao into trouble. Didn't Miss Sui invite me to drink? I waited for you all morning. Is this the way you treated a guest? Now, Miss Lee, please. Assistant Xiang suddenly wants to meddle the discussions. And now, Miss Lee, it seems that she is really getting tricky. But it's time to be serious. Miss Su, in fact, I came here to give you the same thing. Now, the two of them still talking. But this Miss Lee girl, it seems to be, she was really want to gain something. And it was really fuzzled. Your earrings bills in the box last night. I have an investment in the store. And the staff pushed me after picking up the phone. Now, Miss Lee, she looks like she was really enjoying watching the face of Julian. I'm going back to the company today, passing by these sites, thinking about sending it to Dongxi and the owner of the earrings, and maybe it is really worried. Now, it really makes sense to her. The earrings finally came back. Please, Miss Lee. Thank you. Julian, she seems to be happy. Well, of course, she knows that Wen Zhao will really getting angry if she didn't find the earrings. Now, it really makes sense. It already came back. Mr. Su, it's really wanted to thank me. Why don't you invite me to dinner tonight? We can continue to talk about the conversations last night. Miss Lee, is this a meal of public or private matter? Now she really got confused. Whether it's public or private matter, I hope that Miss Su's girlfriend is not jealous, so she knows that she has a girlfriend. Now, this person seems to be wanting something from her. I will decide the locations of the restaurant and I will have the assistants will contact you later. Why? It is so troublesome. Miss Lee said to Lillian. Well, she's really getting tricky, right? Let's add a friend. It's easy to contact in the future. Oh, even though right now, even on WeChat, she got really interested on her. Well, this girl, it was really suspicious. Now, anyway, there are some business partners on the number. Then, it was really good to add. Now, Julian, all she can do is to bow down. Well, also, she got really worried about Wen Zhao. That's why her mind was really unstable. Then, I won't disturb you, Miss Su. See you later. I will ask Special Assistant Chang to send you off. Julian said to Miss Lee. Now, back to Wen Zhao. I might have to go out to eat later, just now. Oh, looking at Wen Zhao, she seems to be jealous. Probably she remembers that Julian, she really got drunk last night. That's why she really got worried about her. I hope Zhao Zhao is not angry. Assistant Shang has booked it. No, it was clearly Zhao Zhao. She got really jealous. Back to the company right now. Back to Wen Zhao right now. She was dealing with Miss Gu. Well, probably this affair, it really needs to end. Also, she really needs to punish her. You have something to say, Wen Zhao said to Miss Gu. Now, it was clearly that, finally, she's been already healed. Well, her life is really matters for Julian. That's why Julian, she will really get worried about this. Zhao, how are you? Miss Gu is asking Wen Zhao. As you can see, Wen Zhao suddenly replied to her with a cold tone. Of course, Miss Gu, at this moment, I didn't expect my cronies to betray me. I'm sorry for hurting you. I thought you would send me to prisons after all. Miss Gu, she seems to be apologetic. And now, it really makes sense. She really feels sorry for herself. It is better to live in purgatory in the world than to live in the prison, isolated from the world life. is better than the dead, Wen Zhao said to her. But of course, Wen Zhao have communications on her, Guansing every time I get along with you for Su Yulian, including the promises finally hope from you. So don't show it anymore. And you won't worry about it, nothing more. I wish you to leave nothing more than the death. Now, looking at Miss Gu, she seems to be terrified. But of course, right now, Wen Zhao is really punishing her. You don't like me so much. You don't deserve me, and it's a waste of time of any of emotions. Well, she was really getting too tough on Miss Gu. I just hope you keep your promise and don't meet me again in the future. Wen Zhao, she's really getting too far, but she want to punish her so much. That's why just been cruel for her. Just, just do it for yourself. Wen Zhao suddenly stood up, leaving Miss Gu, who right now is crying. Well, definitely, it was really hurt for her. But now, it really makes sense. She really do a bad deeds on her. That's why she really want to punish her. It is still not found about her identity and background. Yulian, she keep asking Special Assistant Shang. I check and there's nothing. And it's estimated that she even have a fake name. Forget it, don't check it, so we cannot startle the snake. Well, that was a good idea. Now, Miss Lee, it's been a long time, Yulian said to Miss Lee. This girl, looking at her, she looks really serious and also, she really dressed well. Probably until now, she really don't want to reveal herself. Well, Miss Su, please, take a seat. I just came too soon. But, for Yulian right now, she got really confused. This person is really tricky. And also, what is the purpose? What does this guy want to do? He seems like to observe me. Occasionally, make some jokes to get closer. Now, let's see. Suddenly, someone was calling her. Sister. She really came in to find her. Maybe she really got jealous. Said that she was in the meeting with a beautiful girl. That's why she got really jealous right now. And she already came in. Let's see on what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.